Next one is Gagan system, students. What is this Gagan means? GPS aided, geo augmented, navigation system, students. GPS aided geo augmented navigation systems, Gagan means. So this Gagan system, it is a satellite based navigation system, students. It is a satellite based navigation system. Only few countries in the world is having this kind of system. Only few means only 5 countries in the world having this kind of satellite based navigation system, students. So who developed this system? Who developed this system means ISRO with Airport Authority of India has implemented this system, students. Airport Authority of India has implemented this GPS system. Okay now, and see this. It is a joint venture project between ISRO as well as Airport Authority of India, students. Next one is objective of this Gagan is, what is the major objective of this Gagan? So to establish and to deploy, certify satellite based augmentation system. For what purpose means safety of life. For what purpose safety of life? Civil aviation applications, students. Okay now, safety of life. While we are moving in the aeroplanes, there should be safety for life, students. So especially in case of aeroplanes. So this satellite based internet, in what we call it as a satellite based navigation system. So there are different types of satellite based navigation system. Japan, European Union, US based satellite systems. There are different satellite systems are there like this. And this Gagan system will extend, means it is extending its footprints from Africa to Australia, and it provides this expansion capability is for what purpose? Seamless navigation services across the region, students. African and Australian region. Seamless navigation means what? Means continuous navigation services. Continuous services are there. And this Gagan provides what means accuracy, availability. So next one is reliability in all the environmental conditions, students. In all the environmental conditions. And this Gagan system is applicable in all the qualified airports, students. They are providing services. In this Gagan system, how many satellites are there, students? How many satellites are operating in this Gagan system, students? GSAT 8, GSAT 10, GSAT 8, GSAT 10, GSAT 15 satellite system. So these are the 3 types of satellite systems working within the Gagan system, students. Okay, na? GSAT 8, GSAT 10, GSAT 15. So these are the 3 satellite systems working in the Gagan system, students. And next one is another point regarding to this Gagan, students. What is another point regarding to this Gagan system means? Other than this, so what type of services they are providing? It is primarily meant for aviation. It is primarily meant for aviation. Especially in aviation, what type of services they are providing, students? Civil aviation sector. Okay, safety benefits will be provided to the civil aviation sector. When you are traveling in the aeroplanes will be in safety. Means we can travel in a safety manner. Means especially in the any environmental conditions, safety benefits will be there. Next one is reduction of circling approaches, students. Circling approaches means, so when a flight after reaching to the airport, there is no need of roaming surrounding the airport, students. So that is means better air trafficking services, we call it as air trafficking services. Better air trafficking services. This is one thing. Next one is environmental benefits. Global seamless navigation, allowing direct route system, students. So this direct shoot system will reduce the fuel consumption. Reduce fuel consumption, students. Reduces fuel consumptions. So that is what the benefits to the civil aviation sector. And what are the benefits to the students? What are the benefits to this normal other than the civil aviation, students? We can use it in railways. Other than civil aviation, what are the benefits? Beyond the civil aviation, students, we can use it in intelligent transport systems. Intelligent means driverless car. We can use in maritime services. This is what? Highways, railways, surveying, geodesy. Geodesy means capturing the picture of a particular area like this. Security agencies. For a security purpose, we can use it. Telecom industries, personal uses of positional location application, students. So for all this purpose, other than civil aviation, the other services beyond civil aviation, these services are also provided. These services are also provided, students. That is what Gagan systems. And as I told you that Gagan system is a satellite based navigation systems. Only few countries are having these satellite based navigation systems, students. Okay, now. So that is what regarding to this Gagan systems.